We have to change our attitude in this country. We have to change the system that we inherited from the British. A system of centrality of governance. A system where Dr. Kwame Nkrumah said we should bring all our resources together in Accra and therefore distribute them effectively in the rest of the nation. In other words, let the well-endowed subsidize the less endowed. 68 years later, of course, we have not seen that promise taking place. So his last words, before he went to UK, as we talked, said, well, look, I think we need to decentralize our country. I think we should begin to now let our country be owned by Ghanaians. I know some of you hate the idea of chiefs controlling their resources, but forget about us, the institution. The people in this country and their location of birth should be able to take control of their resources. That's what's been done everywhere else, and that's what we can do in this country for the change. You cannot tell me that in so many years that we've been here, there's not one single farmer who's a cocoa millionaire because his cocoa has been taken away from him. The Western region is the poorest region in Ghana, but yet it's the richest in resources. There's something wrong with that arrangement. And that arrangement is everything has come to Accra. And the promise note that will bring you development back has not worked. So Kwesi and I talked about it. And he said, Sadfo, I agree with you. I agree with you, but we need to speak about it. He said, one thing I want you to do, as you continue to do, is don't hesitate to speak. Your voice may be unpopular. Your voice may be lonely. Your voice may be misunderstood, but speak anyhow. Because we cannot be passive in front of evil and wrongdoing.